Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a quick hitter video today. I wanted to get this information out to you as quickly as possible. Before we get going, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. I really appreciate everyone's support so far. So if you've thought about getting the Hilton Surpass card before, or are interested in bumping up your Hilton Honors points with a really sweet sign-up offer, I may have something in store for you today. Now, I already did a review video on the Hilton Surpass card earlier on the channel, and I'll link that down in the description below. I was just sitting around on my couch today enjoying myself, browsing the web, when I came across an article on doctorofcredit.com where they were talking about a 200,000 point sign-up offer through the Hilton Surpass card. Now, this is the largest sign-up offer that I have seen on this card personally, and it's a lot better than the offer that's been out of 180,000 points as a sign-up offer right now. So again, if you were thinking about getting the Hilton Surpass card, this may be the time to do it, and I'm going to show you how to get that as well, because when I clicked the link that was in the Doctor of Credit article, I didn't always get the 200,000 point sign-up offer. Sometimes I would get it, sometimes I would not. I'm going to show you an experiment here in just a minute where I'm going to show you that private browsing may help increase your odds. And keep in mind, I'm not guaranteeing that you'll be able to see or get this offer. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing and what a lot of other people are seeing. So if you don't see it at first, don't give up. Try again tomorrow. But it is out there, it's floating around, and a lot of people are seeing this. Real quick, just some of the benefits that people like with this card, besides the sign-up offer, obviously, are 12 times points at Hilton properties, resorts, 6 times points on groceries, restaurants, gas, and then 3 times Hilton Honors points on every other purchase. There's no foreign transaction fees, it's only a $95 annual fee, and you get complimentary Hilton Gold status. So it has a lot of benefits with it. If you want more information on all the benefits with this card, again, look down in the description below. But let's run an experiment real quick. I want to see if I can show you exactly the difference between using regular browsing and private browsing, and I may be able to get it in both. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to do this on camera right now. Why not? Right now, I've got a Safari browser pulled up on my iPad. I'm just going to put this right up on the screen so we can all do this together. So I'm just going to Google the Hilton Surpass card. If I could spell, that'd be great. Maybe someday, right? All right, Hilton Surpass, Amex Hilton Surpass, earn up to 180K bonus points. Okay, let's click on it and see what we get. And it looks like, come on, internet, you can do it. Okay, it gives me the 180,000 point Hilton Honors sign-up offer. Just as a point of comparison with what we'll probably see in the private browsing mode, with this you get 130,000 points initially after a $2,000 spend in 3 months, and then you get the additional 50,000 if you spend 10,000 in 6 months. Let's compare that to what happens in private browsing. So I'm just going to do this on the fly right here. This is fun, right? I have no clue what's going to happen. I'm nervous. But let me Google not Hilton Surpass. That's not right at all. I'll get this right eventually. You give me enough time, I'll get it right. Okay, Hilton Surpass. Now you can see here, it still says earn up to 180K bonus points, just like we saw on the last one. But I've noticed whenever I click into this link, a lot of times it will jump to the 200,000 point offer right there. So you can see it. 200,000 points on the Hilton Surpass. The difference in this, the spend is the same as the 180,000 point offer. The only difference is you get 150,000 points after spending 2,000 in 3 months, as opposed to the 130 that you got with the other offer. So again, you're able to get 20,000 more Hilton Honors points by using private browsing. You may be able to still get the 200,000 point offer without using private browsing in Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using, but it seems to me when I've done this, it just increases your odds a little bit more if you do use private browsing. Because we have so many new viewers to the channel and so many people that are new to points and miles in general, I think it would help to give an example of exactly what these points are worth. I'm pretty conservative with my valuation of Hilton Honors points. I value them at about half a cent per point, so 200,000 Hilton Honors points is worth about $1,000 conservatively speaking. However, I can tell you there are many occasions where my wife and I have been able to get closer to 1 cent per point when we are redeeming these points. So that's a conservative estimate. You can get close to $2,000 in value on these, and I'll give you a quick example of how to do that now. Again, I'm going to pull this up on the screen here. Let's do this together. So I've got my Hilton app open. I want to book 5 nights from March 27th through April 1st of next year. Let's say I want to go down to Florida. So I'm going to look for this. All right, and I'm looking for this specific property because it's a good one. Let's do 2 adults and see results. All right, so there's the cash price, but let's look, search with points. All right, so this first one here in the top left corner, the Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace Disney Springs area is 50,000 Hilton Honors points per night. Now, if you do the math on that, 200,000 points divided by 50,000, is 4 nights, right? But I want to stay 5 nights. Keep in mind that when you book 4 nights with Hilton, you get the 5th night for free, all right? So you have to book all 5 nights, but they're only going to charge you for 4. So I'm getting an extra night already there. So let's click into this property, see available rooms, and let's keep going here. Come on, circle, you can do it. Loading, loading. All right, resort view, 2 queen beds, island or tower, sure. Rates from 50,000 points. And then you get the cash value here, and I'm gonna go just kind of middle of the road here and do the Hilton Honors discount. All right, so if I do that, it's calculating a total price, if I were to pay out of pocket for this trip, $1,912.50. Now take that $1,912.50 and divide it by the 200,000 Hilton Honors points from your sign up that got you on this trip, and you're going to see that you're darn near close to 1 cent per point. Conservatively speaking, 0.5 to 0.6 cents per point is a good estimate. However, you can clearly see that you can get close to 1 cent per point if you play your cards right and get the most bang for your buck when you're booking these properties. There's a lot of great properties that you can stay at with this 200,000 point offer, and I've just showed you a spring break trip for your family right there. So it couldn't get much easier than that. Keep in mind, if you want more information on this card, you can find my review video down in the description below. One thing you won't find down there right now is my referral link. My referral link is not reflecting this 200,000 point offer, and I cannot in good conscience ask you to use my referral link when I know there's a better offer somewhere else. If that changes and there's a referral link that matches this, I'll pin a comment in the comment section of this video. But until that point, use the link either in the Doctor of Credit video or use the trick that I just did where I used private browsing mode to get the 200,000 points to show up. Either way, just make sure you're collecting the most amount of points that you can possibly get. For a $95 annual fee and for the sign-up bonus, this card packs a serious punch, and if you were ever thinking about it, now may be the time. After seeing this offer, are you more inclined to get this card? If you already have it, why do you have it, and what benefits do you get from it personally? Keep in mind, we have a lot of new viewers and listeners that are new to the Points and Miles community, so any information you can put in the comments will help everybody out, and I appreciate everybody sharing their stories thus far. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, 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 it's going to be time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, money, finance, travel, sweet sign-up offers, and everything in between, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you soon.